Hello all, good to have you back for another video of How to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator or an inspection indicator of an Opel Agila. This one is a 2008 model. When we turn the ignition on, there is an indicator popping up over here like this, the INSP inspection indicator, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's get right into it. This is a 2008 Opel Agila. First step is to have the ignition turned off. Then the second step is we have two buttons over here. Let me zoom in a bit, and we're gonna use this button with the clock sign on it, and this one is the mode button. We're gonna use the left button, press that button and hold it pressed and turn the ignition back to the second position like this, and you see the INSP indicator flashing, and when it stops flashing and it turns into 3 dots, the service indicator has been reset. Do the check. Ignition off, ignition on, and the INSP indicator is gone. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you like, and use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.